Hello everybody, Molly here. How are y'all doing? Well, it's mid-December, getting closer and closer to Christmas, so I wanted to share with y'all some things that I have available, some scrapbooking kits that you might enjoy for your upcoming photos and pictures that you're going to be taking. And what's happened is recently my life's kind of taken a turn and I'm loving it. I've started hosting with some friends a monthly crop, and then we just recently had a 3-day scrapbooking crop in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and oh my God, it was a blast. We had just fun. But at the monthly crops, one of the things that I do is I offer kits for sale to the ladies who attend, and then I do mail some kits to some ladies and all. But I thought I wanted to take a minute and share them with you and see if you're interested. They are $15 a kit, and then no matter how many you order in an order, I'll ship them for a total of $7 an order. So, pretty good deal. Now, when they come to you, they come in a plastic bag with all the little parts cut, and then, not the match, you got to cut the match yourself, but the other things will be cut and layered in there, and then some printed instructions so you can have fun sitting together with friends and putting together kits and things. Or on a cold winter night, sitting at home with yourself with some hot toddy or some nice hot cocoa or something, and putting them together. Anyway, I digress. Okay, so one of the first ones I want to show you is featuring the Simple Stories collection. It's called Vintage Christmas, and I love this collection. So you'll get all the parts to layer this title, and then of course you'll get a full sheet of stickers. The papers are included, of course, now, and if there's any embellishments, they'll be included in the kit. But I love this collection of papers, so a nice vintage thing. We're going to go through them kind of fast because I don't want to bore you to death, you know, kind of thing. Okay, here's another little collection that I just love, this fella. And I want to tell you this is authentic and a little graphic 45 mixed in. But you put together this little tag, you know, here comes Santa Claus, and then of course it's already got the Brad in it and all. You get those parts. And then of course it's cookies, cocoa, gifts galore, and gifts galore, and you know, got the cup of cocoa there. So I think that's a real cute little cheery kit. The next one's along more of the vintage line. I'm going to tell you this is Cartabella or Echo Park. I don't really remember. But it's Merriest Memories. It's got a nice vintage feel to it. And I just love putting these things together. You'll get a sheet of stickers in there that you can use on your page. So there's one of the kits. And again, when you get it, it's in a bag with all the parts in there. You've got to put the kit together. But anyway, and then here's one that's 'Tis the Season to Be Jolly. And I love my little nutcracker there. And all the pretty snowflakes. So that's a beautiful, bright collection. Okay. Now, using that same pretty Simple Stories vintage Christmas papers, here's the layout that I did. It's got some deep, rich poinsettias, some frames that you can put little pictures in. I love the mix of papers, some doily, and then in that, I just love it. Nice traditional Christmas. Okay, there's one. And then this next one may not be everybody's taste, but it is a glitzy, glamorous Noel layout with lots of bling bling on it. Even some pretty little metal pieces with stones on them and all. So I think that's a really, you know, kind of over-the-top, glamorous Christmas kit. I think we just have one more Christmas. And this one, Celebrate the Season. Now, if your husband's a deer hunter, or you like the outdoors and live in, you know, some pretty areas with the animals and all, this was kind of my salute to that time of the year. So while it's Christmas, you could put your hunting pictures on there if you wanted to. So Celebrate the Season is that one. Okay, next I've got some kits that aren't Christmas, but I wanted to share them with you because we still have I still have a few available. I say we, what does that mean? And the ladies having the crop. Okay, come on, the cat going through. This one's Gather Around the Gumbo. If you're from the South, especially in the Louisiana area, you know gumbo is king. And this is one of the newer paper collections out. And look, it's got Kiss the Cook. The kitchen is the heart of the home. Let's eat. That's me. Kind of thing. So I love this little bright cherry. Gather Around the Gumbo. Just great for family pics and all. This next paper is from Bo Bunny. And the title that I did was Timeless Moments. While it looks vintagey and perfect for pictures of your grandmother or something, it's also your little sweet daughter or granddaughter in 20 minutes is, I hate to tell you that, 20 minutes. She's creating timeless moments now, and these will be just as cute for a little girl as they are for, I guess it would be cute for a boy too, but anyway, for a little girl. And I love the little peacock feathers and stones on there. I like how that came out. And then you see this trim right here? It's plastic, looks like metal. Nice Art Deco look to it. There's a big piece of it in there. You're only going to be using a little bitty bit for this layout, but you'll have some extra you can use on other projects. So that's a pretty one. Okay, next is got a nice Southwest feel to it. It's You're My Dreams Come True, and I love this dream catcher. And then some touch of bling, and look at all the little bling on the dream catcher. Nice layering there. And I think this was some We Are Memory Keepers paper from a while back, but I love the colors of it. So there's that kit. Okay, next I used some papers from Penelope D. Oh, let me turn this the right direction. I think the name of the paper line was Photogenic, and it's Today's Moments or Tomorrow's Memories. Isn't that the truth? And it goes so fast. So I love the colors on this paper and the nice grungy look of it and all. So there's another kit. Okay, we're getting close to the bottom of the stack. Okay, this next one I think is from Bo Bunny, and I think it's called Floral Spice, the paper collection. And I just put BU. In other words, it's that makes you different, makes you beautiful. I didn't put the beautiful, as a lot of people do it on. I just BU kind of thing. And life is short, spread your wings and fly. I just love this paper and the colors of it. Nice spicy colors, perfect for this time of the year. And pretty pictures. Okay. Now, this is one good old-fashioned vintage. Let's see if I can turn it the right way. Just as vintagey as it could be. Cherish the memories. You see, I like metals and flourishes and all. Worth 1,000 words, you know, this picture. And I love this photo. So, nice vintage layout there. And then last, but I don't think least, is a layout that I did for those of us who love traveling. And it's been there, done that. Loved every minute of it. So it's a nice, bright, happy travel page. Oh, I got a clock missing there. There's a clock that goes right, a rose compass that goes right there. Just ignore that piece of tape. Anyway, but what I did was, instead of cutting the title all together, I cut it separately so that if you've been to Florida, just take these two pieces and move them over there. If you've been to Washington State, take these two pieces and move them over. So you can move your title around and then maybe put some little gemstones of where the trip that you're remembering here. Or if you've been to several places, you could do it and put some pictures on there. So I think that's a real cute, bright. Now, been there, done that, loved every minute of it. Okay, so I just wanted to share those. Again, I'll have the link to my Facebook page, hopefully posted right here when I do the thing, trying to leave myself some time to post that there. But it's Crafting Memories with Molly at blogspot.com. And then you would just message me what kits you want. They're $15 a kit, $7 total shipping on your order, if you like any of them. Okay, happy holidays to everyone. If you're watching this after the holidays, Happy New Year to everyone. And thank y'all so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you like or want to share this video, appreciate it more than you know. Okay, thank y'all so much for watching. Visit again soon. Bye-bye.